Good morning, friends. Let's take a quick look at the markets and talk about some cryptos and stocks. We will deep dive into major coins like Bitcoin, Solana, and talk a bit about stocks like Tesla and Apple. We need to get some ideas before investing our money. Let's do it. Before I invest my money, my first station will be always the week's fear index, showing me some ideas about the current market conditions. As you can see, we are in the greedy stage, but almost hitting the normal areas. With the latest China DeepSeek news, markets have fallen a bit. But whatever I invest nowadays, I will be defensive as much as I can. We kept breaking new records with Bitcoin in the last couple of weeks, but I think we are now hitting very high and expensive prices. I still make weekly small Bitcoin entries, but I am way more defensive than normal. In my opinion, this price is really expensive. There's a high chance of a deep pullback, where I can be much more aggressive to buy more in amounts. On the other hand, Solana looks better than Bitcoin in my opinion. Solana is a special coin for me. I make the most cash from Solana. It is highly volatile and has a nice trend to invest and trade. Once Solana hit almost $300 levels, the rally stopped. Now it tries to pull back. There is a nice deep pullback possibility up to 200 levels. I am also still defensive on the Solana because the VIX is in the grid. I am still buying, but in moderate amounts weekly through my working agent system. On the other hand, Pepe meme coin look fun to invest in really small amounts. I will definitely risk some cash on this coin for long-term holding. I don't know how long. I think it is deeply pulling back into this nice SR Philip area with imbalances. Since this is a meme coin, I will never go crazy on this one. Also, someone asked me about XRP. I think the XRP train is gone for the most part. It even made a nice inner SR Philip for a re-entry. I do not enjoy buying things at the top of the rallies. This can make you a very long-term backholder. For now, it is best to look for something cheaper in the price. What about some stocks? We had a very nice rally on the Tesla. Now it is obviously in the hanging and consolidation phases. As you can see, for now, rally is stopped, trying to pull itself back, and the latest China DeepSeek news is not helping the Tesla. If you follow me on the Twitter, $200 levels were the levels that I enjoyed the most to buy the Tesla. Right now, as you can see, and in my opinion, it is expensive. There could be other cheaper options out there. I think Apple is a viable option compared to Tesla nowadays. It is deeply pulling back, as you can see. There's a nice chance of ongoing pulling back up to $200 levels with this SR, Philip, and imbalance combo area. And with my working agents system, I can slowly invest in Apple without any fear. If you want to enhance your knowledge on investing, you can join me on the Swing Investing Masterclass with Working Agents Strategy. You'll be learning 100% what I do and how I swing invest my cash. It is based on weekly buy and sell routines with adjusted amounts from stocks and cryptocurrencies. The best part is we never do precision. Instead, we focus on adjusting our entry amounts. You will learn about how to use a weekly mechanic working agents engine. Create yourself a 1 hour per week routine-based system. You will learn what to buy from coins and stocks, and how to read and understand high-quality fundamentals. Finally, we will work on the how and when to buy anything with technical analysis. We will adjust our entries and buy anything on any time that we wish for. If you are interested, check out the video description or my website. Okay, see you later, friends. Please do not forget to manage your risks.